Hello, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I'm going to make a chicken curry, but it's with a slight twist. It's not the same curry which I make. First of all, I'm not going to fry any onions. The method of making the chicken curry will be different, and I'm going to put Gorbanzo beans in it, or chane. So this dish is chicken and chole. So here's a pound of cut up chicken. I've cleaned it, washed it, and I have a can of Gorbanzo beans or chole. And here's quarter of thinly sliced onion and like a teaspoon of thinly sliced ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, and a green chili which I have slit. So for next step, I'm going to put in ginger. In goes ginger, onions. And today I'm not gonna fry onions. So there we go. A teaspoon of salt will go in. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. And half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can make as hot or mild as you want, that's up to you. And I'm going to put in a little bit of water so it will help to blend it. Since we have used all the fresh ingredients like ginger, garlic and onion, it smells great. And for the next step is I'll put oil in the pressure cooker and I'm going to fry this masala. Here I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil heating up in pressure cooker. As soon as it heats up, I'm going to put in the masala and fry it, cook it down like I do. This way all the spices, the raw spices, will be cooked before I put in the chicken. So here oil is ready and now I'm going to throw in. Since the oil is really hot, you have to be really careful not to burn yourself. And now, oh God, it smells great in here. All the fresh spices. And now I have to cook down this masala. It's gonna take about 5 to 8 minutes. After cooking for about 8 minutes, now you can see all the water has evaporated. And it's getting there, it's still not there, but you know, the gravy is getting a little bit grainy and you can see the oil has totally separated. Yeah. This is what you want in a good base for gravy. As you can see, the masala has turned grainy now, you can see it. So it's ready for the next step, which is I'm going to put in the chicken and I am going to put 3 teaspoons of yogurt and cook it down again. And the last ingredient is 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala in it. And let it cook again. Cook it down. all the water from yogurt has to be evaporated. And believe me, it is a little bit tedious, but in the end your curry will be awesome. So here's the masala now. Yogurt has totally cooked down and it is grainy again, and my chicken is happy. It's extremely happy, and it's waiting for the garbanzo beans. That's the last step. So here's the 1 can of garbanzo beans and green chili. In they go. And I'm going to put like a cup of water to cook. It's totally up to you how thick or thin curry you want. Now I'm going to close the lid, and as soon as the pressure builds, I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes and the dish will be ready. So here's the final product, and I'm garnishing it with cilantro leaves. And since the curry is a little bit thin, it's like soup, it's not a thick curry, you can eat it with naan or rice, and I guarantee you that this dish, your family will really love this dish. And this is really popular in Punjab side of India. So I hope you try it, and thank you for watching my video.